first item I got from Shein. Look at that. Color black. I like this one. So the cup is simple, classic. And it only costs $20. It's like long. Okay, let's try the second item, guys. So this is the second item, guys. I got this blouse for $6. And then the shirt for $10. Okay, let's go for the third item. This is the third item, guys. Long pink feminine dress. So girly, but it's like a little tight. I hope I don't lose weight, so it's gonna be nice to wear. Look at these. Thanks for watching, guys.